nothing here.
You don't respect people. You touch. You take like this. This is
Why
not
for what? They'll pay a lot of money. For
Yes.
what? You can
For the temple, not
complain.
for
No,
outside.
not inside. Not
One
inside.
second.
Please. You understand what?
No, you
This is
don't
the rule.
respect. Why I can see? I see all
You
the
just
temple
around
around
the
the
temple.
world.
Not
All the
here.
temple around the world.
You can complain at the bottom with us.
Yeah, do photo, do video.
Please,
whatever
please,
you
please.
want.
I hope you understand what that. Please. You have to respect.
It's not good. You pay that much,
Yeah,
then
no,
you
you can complain at the
It's not
bottom.
good.
Not complain here.
It's not good.
This
Hindu,
is-
all the God will say you are not
yes,
good.
Yeah.
Karma against you, not against me.
You talk about karma. You understand about karma.
Yes, I know.
You have to respect all of the rule here.
This is
That
not
is
a
the
intelligent
part of your
rule.
karma
It's not
also.
intelligent rule. I saw all the temple in the world. Why I have to pay for religion?
This is for
Why
see
I
the
have to
temple
pay
but
for
not
religion?
go inside.
Why
I
I have
hope
to
you
pay for
understand. You
religion?
have to respect. Please. You can complain
You
later.
think just about money. You are not good.
When you return, you have to complain in the bottom, not here. You complain.